Hi, I'm Chandra Wood, licensed esthetician and certified makeup artist. Today I would like to share with you the Ageless Derma Vitamin Enriched Facial Serum with Hyaluronic Acid. This product is going to lift, tighten, and tone your skin and leave it incredibly smooth and soft and radiant. Hyaluronic acid is known for its great hydration contributions. So if you have more of a dry skin, this is going to be really amazing for you to aid in extra hydration, but great for every skin type. This product is made with organic ingredients, it's paraben-free, and it's also cruelty-free. So blending it in on my hand right now. It feels great. And the smell is incredible because there is 100% organic essential oil of geranium and lavender in this product.